Welcome to Tickzon Mentorship Scheme, where we try to turn our hindsight into your foresight. Now, if you're not subscribed, you're missing out, and you're about to see one of the videos, an excerpt from one of our mentors workshop days called Mentor Speak. Hopefully we might see you there one day. Thank you. Bye.
You can't get there without having someone help you out. You can't get there without having talked to someone. Go to an interview, you talk to someone. Someone is helping you get to a place that you need to be. So I'll give you a background of mine. I'm a chemical engineer by degree. Went to Imperial College, went to Hull University. Now a fire engineer. Used to be a training management consultant, a security guard, and also a senior mentor at the NCS. Everything that I've done there, everything that I've mentioned, someone else has told me about. Every opportunity I've had, someone else has told me about. So everything that I've done is because of someone else telling me about something, because I was able to network with them, able to effectively communicate with someone else in order to get to where I need to be. I want to tell you today that the person next to you might be the person to offer you your job. The person next to you might be the person to link you with someone like Cristiano Ronaldo. In this world, has anyone ever heard of the connection? Look back. You're only seven people away from the 6 degrees of separation. Yeah, 6 degrees. You're only 6 degrees of separated from someone else. So technically, I'm 6 degrees separated from Cristiano Ronaldo, which is true. which is true. I have a friend. His name is Manny. He's actually a famous YouTuber, over 1 million subscribers. He knows KSI. He's actually met Raheem Sterling. Raheem Sterling has definitely played on the same field as a lot of footballers. Raheem Sterling has definitely played somewhere on the same stages with Cristiano Ronaldo. I'm clearly in that less than 6 degrees of separation. I want to tell you today that it's important to make relationships with other people.